Good morning to all of you. As today we are here for the practice of the group discussion. This is not the actual group discussion but the practice of the group discussion, so that you can be prepared for the real GD. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this I am going to give you a topic. I am going to narrate something about that topic. Then after you have to mention some point in your notebook regarding that topic. Then after you have to introduce in the first half of the minute. In approx 30 seconds you have to introduce yourself into 5 points. Your name, the place you are coming from, your educational qualification, family background, and why you want to join Indian Air Force. But that must be finished under 30 seconds. Then after next 30 seconds you have to narrate a brief about the topic. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Immediately, as chest number 136 has finished his narration as well as introduction, chest number 35 will start, and this will move on till chest number 20. Okay? When chest number 20 will finish her narration and introduction, immediately your discussion will start. Try to give your point, at the same time try to cooperate with your group members as well. While speaking, try to have eye contact with all of your group members. You have to introduce and narrate to your group members only, need not to see the assessor. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chest number 136, start.
Respected sir, very good morning friends. My name is Ashutosh Mishra. My father's name is Mr. Shiv Shankar Mishra. I am from Pratapgarh. I cleared my class 12 in 2021. In these days I am pursuing BSc in agriculture. With this I prepared for Indian Air Force because at younger age I wanted to serve in this field for my country. So the today's topic is co-education. So I think that co-education is very important because it reduces the discrimination and biases between the both gender, girls and boys, and it gives the opportunity to girls to upward, to go upward in the society and to put their points also. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Anand Jaiswal from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father is farmer and my mother is food homemaker. I have done my 12th from Panchayat Inter College UP Board with 70% marks, and now I am pursuing BSc from Siddharth Nagar University. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my passion and to serve our nation. Now concerning the topic co-education. Co-education is such a platform where both boys and girls can study together without any hesitation and discrimination. The co-education, the concept of co-education is related to should be allowed or not for developing nation like India. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Singh. I am from Chitkut, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for religious mountains like Kamathuri and Hanuman Dhara. Now I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP Board in Hindi medium. Now I am pursuing BA from R.S. Sadguru Mahavidyalaya. If I talk about my family, there are 5 members. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good homemaker. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation, and Air Force provides a quality of life which cannot be found in any other career. Today we are given the topic to discuss, that's co-education. Co-education means education where both girls and boys study together without any discrimination and hesitation. Co-education has some benefits like there should be no discrimination, it's enhance gender equality, and it's give. Thank you.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Yasdeep Upadhyay. I came from Datia district of Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my 10 plus 2 from MP Board. At present I am pursuing my graduation from Jivaji University, Gwalior. There are 4 members in my family. My father is farmer and my mother is dedicated homemaker. We are 2 siblings and I am the younger ones. My hobbies are to play volleyball and kabaddi. My strength is that and I am agile and adaptable. I want to join Indian Air Force because joining as an airman, I want to become Garud Commando. Thank you. Now we are here to discuss about the topic co-education. Co-education is a schooling system in which girls and boys study under the same roof or in same school or colleges, which develop the holistic development of student and kids. There are many significance of co-education in our society. First, I can say that there is economic benefit. If there is co-education, there is no need for separate institution or staff members for the.
Okay, next.
Good morning everyone. I am Prakhar Tiwari. I am from Fatehpur in UP. I completed my intermediate in UP board. I am pursuing graduation. My father is a farmer and my mother is a Anganwadi worker. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder brothers and grandfather. My hobbies are watching patriotic films and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is also service of nation, not only a job. Dear friends, we are given the topic to discuss co-education. The topic is related to co-education. The concept of co-education should be allowed or not be or not co-education is such a platform where both boys and girls studies.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sandeep Yadav. I am from Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP board with 88% and 75% respectively. I am fond of playing cricket and reading books. Now I am pursuing graduation from RPT College, Chandauli. I want to join in Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation at that small age. It is honor to me to represent my country and I will give my best for till my last breath. Thank you.
Jai Hind friends, my name is Shivan Shukla and I am here from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. In my family, there are 4 members. My father is in a private job and my mother is a dedicated housewife. I want to be a part of Indian Air Force because in my opinion it's not a job, it gives us a dedicated and disciplined lifestyle. I have completed my 10 plus 2 exams in the UP board with 76% and 93% marks respectively. And now I am pursuing my graduation with Professor Rajendra Singh University, Allahabad. As we know, we all are here to discuss about the topic, co-education. First of all, we have to know what is co-education. Co-education is a system where both the genders, male and females, studied together and participate together without any hesitation and discrimination. There are various importance of this topic, co-education. It promotes gender equality and it boosts our confidence, oppose the gender, and as we know, every coin has 2 sides, and co-education has also some merits and demerits. Thank you. That's all about me.
Good morning everyone, my name is Durgesh Pandey. I belong to Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Now I have completed class 12 from UP with 75% mark. Now I am pursuing diploma 3rd year in civil engineering. My hobby are playing cricket and running. My father is a farmer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a well disciplined job and I want to serve my nation. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to me, co-education. Co-education such a platform where both boys and girls any hesitation and discrimination in study. Co-education creates friendly and respectively both gender without opposite gender. And co-education are economical for maintenance and recommendation. Jai Hind everyone.
Yes, I agree with you. It's just number 71. In my opinion, but in my opinion, it has some major drawbacks. It has some major drawbacks to
Yes, chess number 64, I agree with you, but in my opinion, chess co-education also help to promote teamwork, because if girls and boys work in co-education system, the activities and all promote
gender bias and it promotes the control environment and follow the articles number 15 there is
Yes, chest number 74. I agree with you, but in my opinion,
Yes, chest number, sorry to interrupt you, but I think that chest number 23 want to say something.
It has some merits and demerits, but for the safety of the girls' child.
yes, chest number 74. But in my opinion, co-education various likes pranks, incidents, and co-education.
Rape, teasing, etc. As we know, it promotes gender equality and it boosts our confidence.
Yes, chest number 9, I agree with you, but there are
Yes, chest number, there is many demerits of co-education. There's lack of concentration in co-education. As we know, that at the age of adolescence,
Yes,
the students are diverted from their studies and
they are student divert from study because they involve in the making environment.
Okay, till test number 72, Group A, and from 67 to 20, Group B. Group B, start.
In co-education, as we know, there are no official policy about the government. As government should aware more about the co-education in rural areas. But what we have no information about the co-education in rural area because people are not aware about what the co-education it is. So government should make policy about it and aware people about it.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with your opinion, and I think there are in our India no education system by co-education, so we have to make us some law on it. But in Samriddhi Yojana, government gave up 500 rupees for girls or a woman who studied in schools or colleges, and also gave a scholarship to maintain her education.
Yes, I am agree with your opinion. There are many laws are made by the government, but the violence against girls in the co-education are not stopped, such as acid attacks, rape cases, and if teachers are continuing.
In some chances there for sexual
And sometimes in rural areas, teachers cannot also explain some important topics due to presence of both gender.
Our society should develop more institution in our society, and we should aware our parents, we should aware our
Okay,
parents
stop.
and graduation.
You're not cooperating. What I have told you, 4 pillars of the discussion: entry, participation, manner, expression, and impact.
Yes sir,
Entry तो सभी कर रहे हो।
स्पीकर दोनों होने चाहिए।
Manner क्या है आपका? You are discussing in a destructive manner.
Interrupt each other.
Okay?
Yes.
Try to cooperate. वरना क्या बोल रहे हो? जब आधा ग्रुप किया था, मतलब सिर्फ वही बात करेंगे। पूरे टाइम आपने बात नहीं किया, लेकिन जब उसको मना किया था कि मत बोलना, तब फिर बोला। इंस्ट्रक्शंस को बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए। ओके? Okay, 136. Hand movement and fumbling was there in your narration part. Introduction although was okay, but haven't participated in the discussion. Why? If you are not going to participate in the discussion, you are going to be out. Okay? Try to participate. First market बनेगा, उसको बाद में देखेंगे. पहले बोलो तो सही. 35. अगेन इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके, आपने डेफिनेशन भी बताया को एजुकेशन का, लेकिन इंट्रोडक्शन और नरेशन दोनों आपका 40 सेकंड में ही खत्म हो गया। क्यों? लैकिंग विद द कंटेंट? यू फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल? दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टाइम। जो भी गलतियां इधर ही खत्म कर लो, वहाँ जाके ये बहाने ना चले। ओके? यू हैवंट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द डिस्कशन। जीडी में 0 नंबर और आप बाहर हो जाओगे फिर।
Sir, I want to participate, but no anyone give me chance.
Why they will give you the chance? You have to grab that chance. Okay? Just number 1. Stucking in some point. 35 सेकंड का इंट्रो चला था, अगर उसको कम करते तो आपको नरेशन में ज़्यादा समय मिलता बोलने को, कंटेंट अपना बताने को। ओके? आपने पॉजिटिव भी चीज़ें बताने की कोशिश की को एजुकेशन का, बट ये पेयर प्रेशर है या फिर परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर है, आप चोक कर रहे थे बीच में बोलते समय। चोक मतलब समझ रहे हो, बोलते बोलते आपकी आवाज़ फिर निकल नहीं रही थी उस एक परफेक्ट वर्ड के आगे। डिस्कशन में थोड़ा बहुत पार्टिसिपेट करने की कोशिश की बट वॉज नॉट दैट इम्पैक्टफुल। ओके, टेस्ट नंबर 69, you are agile and adaptable. Okay, you wanted to join Garud Commando. Introduction was okay, narration was okay. Initiated the discussion, given the sufficient point in the discussion to get in. Okay, test number 23, voice was okay, introduction was okay, but you are again stuck in the narration. एक जर्क मिल रहा था जब आप एक स्मूथ जा रहा था जब आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे, लेकिन अचानक जब नरेशन देने लगते हैं तो फिर एक टर्बुलेंस दिखता है आपके वॉइस में। This could be because of lack of practice and lack of content. Okay. 36, थोड़ी सी वॉइस और बढ़ सकती है, एक वॉल्यूम ऊपर जाओगे अभी। इंट्रोडक्शन ठीक था बट नरेशन में अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है, एंड द सेम इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन एज वेल। टेस्ट नंबर 9, इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके बट बहुत कम लोग इस डिस्कशन में हुए जिनके साथ फिलर्स की समस्या आ रही थी, आपके साथ थी। आप हर एक वर्ड के बाद जेंटलमैन टुडे आई, ये वाला आपके साथ दिक्कत आ रहा था। ठीक है, ट्राई टू बी स्मूथ। जेंटलमैन टुडे आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट द को एजुकेशन। को एजुकेशन डिफाइंस द एजुकेशन ऑफ बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल एट वन प्लेस ओनली। इस तरीके से आप स्मूथली बता सकते हैं। ओके, आई कॉन्टैक्ट वॉज लो। जब आप प्रेशर में होते हैं तो आपकी आंखें भी झुक जाती हैं, वो दिखता है, पूरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे दिख रही थी। ओके, ईव टीचिंग जैसे पॉइंट अपने डिस्कशन में रखे हैं। ओके, बट यू हैव टू रेज योर पार्टिसिपेशन। 72, वॉइस एंड आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज ओके, नरेशन भी आपका ठीक था, इम्पैक्टफुल था, पार्टिसिपेशन आपका डिस्कशन में ठीक था। जैसे ही मैंने ग्रुप को आधा किया तो फिर आपने उसमें लीड लिया, दैट वाज गुड। जब आपको हाफ करके दिया जाए उस समय तो एटलीस्ट लीड ले लो। ओके, 67, अगेन वॉइस एंड आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज ओके, गुरुकुल जैसी चीज़ें बताई आपने, एंसेंट सिविलाइजेशन की बात की। सेकंड एंट्री थी आपकी डिस्कशन में, इम्पैक्टफुल था। ओके, हो सकता है। 41, इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके बट इधर वाले कैंडिडेट्स क्या बिगाड़े थे भाई, इनको क्यों नहीं देख रहे थे? आई कांटेक्ट सबसे रखिए, ठीक है। और मुझे लगता है कि अपने नरेशन में आप और पॉइंट रख सकते थे, बहुत जल्दी आप ख़त्म कर दिए। ये प्रेशर की वजह से था या आ नहीं रहा था? तो सर अभी बोल लीजिए ताकि वहाँ पे दिक्कत ना आए। ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 10, वॉइस आपका एक वॉल्यूम और ऊपर जा सकता है, अभी भी बहुत लो है वॉइस, बहुत लोगों को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई कांटेक्ट भी एक ही दो के साथ था, पूरे ग्रुप के साथ आई कांटेक्ट नहीं था। कंटेंट आपका ठीक था, डिमेरिट्स के बारे में बताया, गुरुकुल के बारे में बताया, डिस्कशन में भी पार्टिसिपेट करने की कोशिश की। हाँ, अभी के लिए काम चल सकता है लेकिन अभी और इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है। ओके, टेस्ट नंबर 40, इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके, कंटेंट एंड नरेशन वाज ओके, डाइवर्सिटी, सोशल स्किल्स, सारी चीज़ों पे आपने बात किया, बट आई कांटेक्ट वाला इशू था। एंड स्पेशली यू वॉज नॉट इम्पैक्टफुल इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन। 3 से 4 बार बोलने की कोशिश की लेकिन फिर खुद ही रुक जा रही थी। क्यों? कोई सुन नहीं रहा था। तो इस तरीके से बोलते रह जाएंगे, 15 के 15 बोलते ही रह जाएंगे और आपका चांस नहीं आएगा। ओके, 64, समटाइम आपके भी फिलर्स आ रहे हैं, वो जो आ बीच में आता है। रेस्ट कंटेंट ओके था, मुझे लगता है कि अपने पेस को हल्का सा आप स्लो करके बोलेंगे तो ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल होगा। ओके, पेस, वॉल्यूम नहीं, पेस। जो आप बहुत तेज़ी से बोलते हैं ना, सारे पॉइंट को जल्दी जल्दी बोल देंगे तो हम ज़्यादा बोलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता है सर। पेस को कंट्रोल कीजिए, दैट विल गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस। ओके, 71, पूरे टाइम ऐसा नज़रें क्यों झुका के रखे हो? चिन अप, बैठ जा भाई, चिन अप मतलब कि गर्दन ऊंची करके बैठे। हाँ, ओके। आई कांटेक्ट का भी आपके साथ समस्या था, आई कांटेक्ट पे काम कीजिए। पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आपने दोनों बात की, कंटेंट वॉज ओके इन द नरेशन बट वॉज नॉट दैट इम्पैक्टफुल इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन. आपने बोलने की कोशिश की बट कोई सुना नहीं, क्योंकि शायद आपका वॉइस वैसा था, शायद आपका आई कॉन्टैक्ट वैसा था. ओके. 20 टोन वॉज ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन वॉज ओके. आपने ग्रीस से शुरू किया, 1883 बताया, 35 के बारे में बताया. सेकंड एंट्री था डिस्कशन में, पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज ओके मे बी. ओके. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द डिस्कशन ऑन द टॉपिक को एजुकेशन. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ अगली बार जब हम मिले तो आप बेहतर तैयारी के साथ होंगे. ओके. विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विद सम अदर टॉपिक. टिल देन हैव अ नाइस डे. जय हिंद.